Welcome to LifeTales, a channel dedicated to sharing Stoic teachings and philosophies that help each of us train our minds, improve our lives, and uncover the true meaning of inner peace. In this video, we'll explore a wonderful habit for staying calm and reducing stress. Meditation. Meditation is not just a relaxation technique. It is a tool that allows you to control your mind, calm your restless thoughts, and find inner peace. Meditation has been practiced for thousands of years in many cultures, from east to west, and it holds a vital role in Stoic philosophy. Imagine being someone who constantly faces pressures from work, family, and endless worries. At such times, your mind can easily spiral into negative thoughts, anxiety, and tension. This is when meditation becomes invaluable. Meditation is a way to stop, let go of troublesome thoughts, and simply breathe, observe, and let the mind rest. So why does meditation have such powerful effects? Here are the main benefits you'll gain from practicing meditation regularly. 1. Reduces stress and anxiety. Meditation helps regulate cortisol levels, the stress hormone in the body. By focusing on your breath in the present moment, your mind naturally lets go of unnecessary worries. 2. Improves concentration. In meditation, you learn to focus on a single point, such as your breath or a bell sound, which enhances your ability to concentrate in daily life. 3. Increases self-awareness. Meditation allows you to observe and recognize negative emotions and unhelpful thoughts, helping you gradually gain control over them. 4. Enhances feelings of peace and contentment. Research shows that meditation increases serotonin and dopamine, the happiness hormones, helping you feel more peaceful and content with life. Stoicism places particular importance on meditation as a means of mental training. Stoic thinkers believe that true inner peace could not be achieved through material wealth or fame, but must come from self-mastery. Stoics like Marcus Aurelius emphasize the importance of daily stillness and reflection. Marcus once said, "By understanding oneself, we learn to master ourselves." Through meditation, you'll not only observe what's happening in your mind, but also learn not to react impulsively. Now let's practice a simple meditation exercise. You can sit anywhere you feel comfortable, making sure your back is straight and your body's relaxed. Step 1. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and exhale. Feel the air flowing in and out of your body. Focus on each breath and let any thoughts pass without clinging to them. Step 2. Observe thoughts without reacting. When you notice a thought or feeling arise, observe it like an outsider. Do not judge or react, simply let it come and go. Step 3. Stay in the present. Try to bring your attention back to the present. Sense the sounds, your breath, and the space around you. This is a time to fully live in this moment. To make meditation a habit, start with 5 minutes each day. Gradually, as you get comfortable, increase to 10 or even 15 minutes. The key is to practice consistently, as even a few minutes daily can make a significant difference. Remember, Stoicism doesn't ask us to change the world, but rather to change how we perceive and respond to it. Meditation helps us focus on what we can control and let go of what we cannot. Meditation is a journey of self-discovery, helping us find inner peace regardless of external chaos. This habit not only reduces stress, but also leads to a meaningful life focused on inner values rather than external distractions. It is also a foundation for building mental resilience, so each day you wake up feeling stronger and more at peace. Meditation is a journey that requires patience and determination, but I believe you will find its value in each moment of practice. Remember, a peaceful mind is the foundation for a happy, sustainable life. Let's explore another simple yet effective habit to cultivate calmness and balance in life. Journaling. Journaling is more than just recording events. It is a process of self-reflection and self-discovery. In Stoicism, journaling is a method for self-awareness and self-improvement. Stoic philosophers like Marcus Aurelius considered journaling a companion on the path to self-mastery. Imagine Emperor Marcus Aurelius sitting down in the quiet of the night when the Roman Empire is asleep, writing in his journal, not to impress others, but for himself, to record profound reflections, questions he poses to his mind, and lessons learned throughout the day. Through each page, he identifies weaknesses, negative thoughts, and ways to control them. This practice helped him develop a calm and resilient mind amidst life's challenges and pressures. What benefits does journaling bring to our modern lives? Here's why journaling can be a powerful tool to help you find peace and mental control. 1. Relieves stress and anxiety. Writing down your thoughts and feelings helps release pent-up stress. Putting your thoughts on paper can give you a sense of relief. 2. Enhances self-awareness. Journaling helps you look at yourself objectively, recognize bad habits, and identify areas for improvement. It is a process of self-discovery. 3. Clarifies goals and values. Through writing, you can more easily identify what matters most, rather than focusing on fleeting concerns. Journaling keeps you connected to your core values. 4. Builds emotional resilience. As you write, you not only record emotions, but also reflect on them. This helps you develop emotional control, reducing impulsive reactions. 5. Fosters patience and consistency. Journaling is a habit that requires patience and consistency, qualities that Stoics greatly value. Starting a journaling habit doesn't require literary skills. All you need is a notebook and a bit of time each day. Here are some steps to practice effective journaling. Step 1. Choose a set time to write. Some people like to write in the morning to start the day with positive reflections, while others prefer evenings to reflect on the day. Choose a time that suits you and stick with it. Step 2. Start with simple thoughts. If you're new, try writing 3 things you are grateful for, or an event and how you felt about it. This can help you ease into the habit. Step 3. Focus on your feelings and thoughts. Ask yourself questions like, what challenge did I face today? Was I anxious about something? What made me happy? These questions help you understand your mental state. Step 4. Set a goal for tomorrow. End your entry with a small goal for tomorrow, like, I'll try to stay calm in all situations, or I'll complete an important task without procrastination. Now let's try writing a few lines to start this habit. Think about a recent situation that made you feel frustrated or stressed. Write it down and express your feelings as honestly as possible. Now read back what you wrote. Ask yourself, was this emotion as big as it seemed? Did I let this situation carry negative emotions throughout the day? Often we find that many negative thoughts and feelings are fleeting and not worth holding on to. The Stoics always taught, things happen objectively. It's our perspective that defines them. Through journaling, you'll gradually see that we have the power to choose how we react to every situation. Journaling helps you step back, view everything objectively, and develop control over your mind. Journaling isn't just a habit for recording life. It's a way to control and understand yourself. With journaling, you'll sense an inner strength, mental clarity, and greater peace. Try taking a few minutes each day to yourself by writing in a journal. This will not only help you release your worries, but also help you grow every day. Each journal entry is a step on a journey to find peace and self-understanding. We live in a fast-paced world where technology and the fast pace of life make it easy to get caught up in the past or the future. But Stoic philosophy reminds us that happiness and peace only exist in the present moment. In this final section, we will explore the power of focusing on the present moment and how this habit can help us build a calm and steady mind. When we pay too much attention to what has happened or worry about the future, we easily lose our inner peace. We tend to think about what could have happened, what went wrong, or what might happen in the future. This not only increases stress, but also causes us to miss out on precious moments in life. Imagine the life of Stoic philosopher Epictetus, a slave who endured both physical and mental hardship. He found true freedom by focusing on the present. Epictetus taught, we can't control what happens around us, but we can control how we react. Instead of worrying about what's unchangeable, he chose to live in the present, focusing on what he could do in each moment. Focusing on the present has tremendous benefits. 1. Reduces stress and anxiety. Focusing on the present helps you avoid worrying about things outside your control, reducing unnecessary stress. 2. Improves concentration and productivity. When focused on what you're doing instead of getting distracted by random thoughts, you work more effectively and achieve better results. 3. Helps you enjoy life more. Living in the present makes you appreciate the small joys around you. Birds singing, a friend's smile, or a peaceful moment reading. 4. Builds resilience. Focusing on the present helps you face difficulties calmly, rather than being overwhelmed by future fears. 5. Strengthens emotional intelligence. Being present helps you recognize and understand your emotions, making it easier to manage them. Here are simple methods to stay present daily. Method 1. Practice deep breathing and mindfulness. When anxious or tense, stop, take deep breaths, and focus on each breath. Method 2. Engage your senses. Take a moment to focus on your senses, sounds, sights, or even taste. This grounds you in the present. Method 3. Limit digital distractions. Silence your phone while working or with family to stay fully engaged. Method 4. Practice gratitude daily. Write or reflect on 3 things you're grateful for each day to notice positive moments around you. Method 5. Take short breaks. After each hour of work, pause, relax, and breathe deeply. Now try a little exercise to feel the power of focusing on the present moment. Find a quiet place, sit down, close your eyes, and take 3 deep breaths. Now open your eyes, look around, and pay attention to what you see. The colors of the objects around you, the light in the room, what sounds you can hear. Feel your presence in this space and remember, all you need is right here, right now. The Stoics always emphasized, only the present is real. Any pain from the past or anxiety about the future is just an exaggeration of the mind. When you learn to live in the present moment, you will gradually escape the pressures of the past and the future, finding peace in this moment. Focusing on the present moment is not just a habit, but a way of life that helps you face life with peace and clarity. By practicing this skill, you will feel lighter, no longer obsessed with things beyond your control, and live with a spirit full of energy and peace. Try to spend some time every day to practice living in the present. Just a few minutes of breathing, a few minutes of paying attention to everything around you, you will find your soul calmer and more alive. We have explored together 3 habits: meditation, journaling, and focusing on the present to practice calmness in modern life. These methods are not only skills, but also tools to help us deal with daily pressures and stresses. This is not only a way to relieve stress, but also a method for us to live more meaningfully, nurture peace of mind, and maintain sustainable mental health. Here are some key lessons we can apply in our modern lives. 1. Focusing on the present is the key to peace. We are often distracted by thoughts of the past or worries about the future. By practicing mindfulness and meditation, we learn to enjoy the present moment, freeing our minds from unnecessary worries, thereby creating a state of true peace and happiness. 2. Express and understand your emotions. Journaling is a great way to release emotions and reflect. By writing down our thoughts, we can better identify and manage our emotions, which helps reduce stress and prevent emotional repression that leads to mental fatigue. 3. Live mindfully in every action. Practicing mindfulness in everyday activities, even small things like walking or eating, helps us build a deep awareness of everything we do. This not only creates calmness and focus, but also adds meaning to life. 4. Create a mental support system. By practicing these habits every day, we gradually build a mental support system for ourselves. Meditation, journaling, and mindfulness are like companions, helping us overcome stress, face pressure, and find stability in the midst of turmoil. 5. The practice journey is continuous, never-ending. Practicing calmness is not something that is achieved once and for all, but a lifelong journey. The habit of peace does not appear naturally, but needs to be built from small daily actions. This journey helps us to perfect ourselves every day, gradually living more deeply and consciously. 6. Live slowly to fully recognize life. We are often too hasty with work and responsibilities, and this makes us easily lose control under pressure. Through meditation and mindfulness, we learn to live slowly, to feel each moment. This brings a sense of calm, helping us to accept all difficulties with a more ready and positive mindset. These habits not only help us practice calmness, but also nurture a strong soul, knowing how to accept and overcome all challenges of life. In the end, no matter how the world around us changes, inner calmness and peace will be the foundation to help us stay steadfast and happy. Remember that peace is not a destination, but a journey within ourselves. When we know how to nurture our minds, maintain human, heart, speech, intention, according to the Stoic spirit, we will find joy and meaning in the simplest things. Start with small habits every day. Step by step, you will feel the positive changes in your life. Thank you for following and listening. If you find this content useful, don't forget to share and subscribe to the channel to spread good values. See you in the next videos.